How to fix iPhone can't find Bluetooth device on iOS 26. First, swipe down from the base of the screen, tap on this button here, tap on this Bluetooth button to turn it off for like 10 to 15 seconds, tap on it again, and this should fix the issue of iPhone could not find your Bluetooth device. If this does not stop or fix this issue, then try. Go to settings button. Inside settings button comes out here, then locate and tap on Bluetooth. Then tap on this button to toggle it on and toggle it off. Wait for like 5 to 15 seconds. You should see the device comes up here. And if this does not fix this issue, then guys, try. The next thing is to come to the settings button from the inside setting, tap on general. Scroll down to the base of this page, guys. Tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset. Now tap on reset all settings. Now provide the password of your iPhone. Then if it comes up, if you have a screen time password, provide your screen time password as well. Now tap on reset all settings. This will fix all settings on your iPhone, thereby fixing iPhone can't find Bluetooth device on your iOS 26. If you get this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.